go.
Oh.
Fail. Hi. Okay, so we already did this once, that's why I don't have enough.
Ha.
Okay. Well, anyways,
We're doing cinnamon challenge.
yeah. This is gonna be her second time in my life. Fifth. I've done it a lot. So. Anyways, so yeah, you have to swallow it.
I know. Okay.
That's what I didn't tell you last time. God. Okay. Sure.
We got the cinnamon.
Idiots!
Okay. Face each other.
No. Which is the face the camera. It's a cinnamon challenge, not like who could hold it in the longest.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Oh.
Tastes like shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I hate cinnamon.
Tasted good. We'll just try to make it feel better.
Part of it tasted good. The part where you spit it out?
Mm-hmm. Should I end it?
Sure.